This video is for them do-it-yourselfers. Those individuals challenged with tasks they haven't taken on yet. It could be a little intimidating to replace a tire on a scooter if you've never done it. This guy took on the last 2 tire inner tube replacements. Thought he'd figured something out. Well, he was wrong. That inner tube's still hard to change, no matter how much you figure out. Getting that tire off, getting that inner tube out, getting it back in, there's some little details to remember. Anyway, as this guy's working on this inner tube replacement, he keeps making mistakes, doing things wrong. But he's relentless. See, taking on a task you've never done before could be trying, even if you've done it a few times. But don't fret the evildoers. They'll get recompense and their reward. Just press on doing good works and continuing down the road of exploration to figure out the best path on the map. See, the most important thing on a map is where you're at. Because you can't figure out how to get where you're going if you don't know where you're at. The second best thing, know where you're going. Then you can get a line between A and B and get where you're going. See, when I was young, we used to have these actual maps. You could go to the store and buy one for like $1. You didn't know how important it was to have a map until you didn't have one. Going to a theme park just 100 miles away could be quite trying, and you could get lost on the way. If you don't know which highways to take, it only takes one wrong exit or one wrong merge to get you on the wrong path and going in the wrong direction for a long way if you're not aware of the exits to take. Take journeys, but don't forget to get that map. It's easy nowadays because we got those digital maps to guide us. Hallelujah.